Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie Searles and this is my week 3 multimedia presentation for MPA540 with Dr. Beth Groves. In this week's post, I will talk about compensation and discuss one of the characteristics. I will also give a public sector experience on my discussed characteristics, so please stay tuned. So, what is compensation? Compensation refers to the remuneration awarded to employees in exchange for their services. It is an aspect that is considered crucial in support for employee motivation. Compensation affects different elements of an individual, including their relationship with the organization and society. Just like Berman puts it, earnings affect a person's, not only economically, but also socially and psychologically, and can be used as an indicator of employee value to the institution. Compensation is one of the key human resource functions. One of the goals of human resources teams is to ensure that compensation aligns with both individual and organizational objectives. Berman explained that a compensation system should aim to align individual and organizational objectives. The overarching goal of the compensation strategy is to ensure an organization has allocated the money necessary to motivate the performance needed to achieve the set of organizational objectives and, by extension, the business strategy. Compensation plays a crucial role in helping employees achieve their individual goals, creating the motivation for them to continue offering their services to the organization. Therefore, based on their goals and their perceived value to the organization, they have given expectations with regard to compensations they ought to receive. At times, there exists a misfit between employee performance and their level of compensation, which similarly translates to a mismatch between organizational and employee goals. This mismatch may cause either, it may lead to layoffs, a voluntary staff turnover. Organizations expect staff to be as productive as possible, while individuals have the right to be fairly compensated based on the services they provide. As such, based on how compensation system is designed, developed, communicated, and managed, it can positively or negatively influence the organization's objectives. An example of this characteristic is in the case of people from private organizations aspiring to be employed in public offices. Most of them are reluctant to apply because their individual goals fail to match the level of compensation that public office provides for them, unless, of course, their application is based on intrinsic motivators. Similarly, some of them have little or no background in managing public entities, which may not justify their compensation that was based on their experience in private organizations. And that concludes my week 3 multimedia presentation. Thank you for spending time with me, and we'll see you soon. God bless.